Aloha, dear students. So, as I was doing last week, I'm going to record a bit, just a recap of what we did today, okay? So we were reviewing the basic structure of our argumentative essay, 5-paragraph essay. So we were like checking the funnel, similar structure of the introduction and our conclusion. Okay, but this is an inverted funnel because it goes from general into specific. The hook and our close are very, very similar. Okay, both of them want to have the reader's attention and grabs the reader's attention, and the closer, it's like the very last sentence you as the audience is going to remember of the essay. That's why it's important. And then each body paragraph starts with a topic sentence 1, 2, and 3 that are related to the heart of our essay, our thesis statement. Okay, therefore the conclusion is not, remember, the conclusion is not a summary, it's more like a synthesis. You can touch upon your topic sentences, touch upon the main ideas of your essay, but it is not just cut and paste. It is not simply a summary. You have to emphasize the importance of your essay, of your point of view, of your thesis statement. Today, we were talking about the difference between revision and edition. And I asked you, what does it come first? And yes, to revise comes first. The revision comes first because it is related to the content and the main structure of your essay. Okay? With that, you can have like the big picture, and then you see paragraph by paragraph, content-wise. And then we have the edition, the second step. We focus on the form. Yes, the conventions, kind of a proofreading, editing part. So you check for grammar and punctuation and spelling. We talk about the form. So once you do that, when you revise your content, first of all, the big picture, you get everything that is being asked for. You have it there. You look for every paragraph is cohesive, everything goes together. Great. Then you go into the form, into the sentence by sentence. So what I'm recommending you to do is to write your own personal checklist of major errors that you do, okay? Mistakes that you make. For instance, it can be related to the punctuation, semicolons, commas. Avoid any type of fragments or run-ons. About the style, how to enhance your style later. Repetition versus redundancy. Repetition is to repeat a single word, okay? Maybe you can find synonyms. Maybe you can transform that word that is an adjective into a substantive or another verb. Redundancy is to go over and over, same idea. Repeat the same idea with other words. You have to avoid that as well. Or subject and verb, agreement and number. And once you do your own checklist, you want to identify those mistakes and then correct those mistakes. And something very important, in isolation. Correct, in isolation. You go, I'm going to check only the commas of my whole essay, one by one. Once you have done it, check. It is much more effective, it's much more productive. So you are going to nail your 5-paragraph argumentative essay. Remember, it is not expository, it is argumentative, because your thesis statement is showing your main point, your stand, and the whole essay is surrounded by that. Mahalo, and have a great night, great final version of your essay.